There are two different ways on how you can allow photo access to different apps on your iPhone, so make sure you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. If you open an application on your iPhone, I've opened Instagram as an example, but this will work for any app. The steps are pretty much the same. Let's say I want to create a new story and upload a photo or a video from the photo gallery, but I get this message that I need to allow the app access to my gallery. You'll exit the app and then open your settings page on iPhone. And we're going to use our search bar at the bottom to type Instagram, or whatever app needs photo access. Maybe that's TikTok, Facebook, or similar in your case. In my case, it's Instagram. So here is my app, and I'll open this real quickly. It will take me over to this page, where I can give Instagram access to my location, microphone, contacts. But we're looking for the photos right here. You can see three different options. We can select the limited access option if we want to give the app access to specific photos from the gallery that we manually select. This won't allow our app to see all of the photos from the photo gallery, but it will only access the photos which you select. But you can also give it full access if you want to, and that's about it for this step. If you've opened the app settings, but you can't see the photos option anywhere, then what you want to do is to go over to the main settings page and scroll until you see the privacy and security section. I'll go down once again and open the photos option, and we'll be able to see a list of apps which need photo access. Here's the Instagram app for me, so I'll make sure to enable this switch, and then the app will have access to my photo gallery. If you have any questions or suggestions about this whole process, then make sure to leave a comment down below so we can help more people. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.